Hello students, class 12 physics, unit 4 electromagnetic induction and alternating current continuation video. In our previous classes we learned about alternating current, then phasor. By using the phasor we found the phase angle between current and voltage in a series RLC circuit, inductor circuit, capacitor and resistor circuit. Okay, then we also found the expression for average power of an AC circuit. Okay, here in today's class let me see a new topic, that is oscillation in LC circuit. Oscillation in LC circuit. Okay, we know oscillation is a topic that you already studied in your 11th standard. In that topic you have the knowledge about some oscillation in mechanical system. Okay, here let me see an oscillation in electrical system. Okay, so far I consider a electrical system that consisting of capacitor of capacitance C and inductor of inductance L that are connected to form a circuit. That circuit is known as tank circuit. Okay, by using this tank circuit we can produce an LC oscillation. Okay, we can produce an oscillation, energy oscillation. Okay, here let me see how to produce an oscillation by using this circuit, and let me see also how the energy is converted from capacitor to inductor and inductor to capacitor. Okay, that the topic is energy conversion during LC oscillation. Okay, we know very well both the capacitor and inductor have the tendencies to store the energy. Okay, you know inductor, it store energy in the form of magnetic field. Energy stored in the form of magnetic field, that is B. Okay, this type of energy stored in an inductor is known as electrodynamic energy. Okay, then capacitor, it also store energy in a confined electric field. Okay, store energy or energy stored as a electric field. Electric field. Okay, this type of energy is in the form of electrostatic potential energy. Okay, if suppose I consider a electrical system, that is LC system. If suppose I apply the energy to the electrical system, E or energy to the electrical system, then the energy will oscillate back and forth between the inductor of inductance L and the capacitor of capacitance C. Okay, in a confined electric and magnetic field. Okay, see, if suppose I apply energy to the tank circuit consisting of capacitor of capacitance C and inductor of inductance L. Okay, then that energy will oscillate back and forth between the magnetic field of the inductor and the electric field of the capacitor. Due to this electrical oscillation, it produces some definite frequency, that is F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. Okay, this oscillation is known as LC oscillation. Okay, this oscillation is known as LC oscillation. It is an easy one. If the energy is applied to a tank circuit, okay, consisting of capacitor of capacitance C and inductor of inductance L, then the energy will oscillate back and forth between the magnetic field of the inductor and electric field of the capacitor. Okay, due to this oscillation it generates a definite frequency, that is F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. Then this oscillation is known as LC oscillation. Okay, let me see the generation of LC oscillation. Generation of LC oscillation. Okay. First of all, I consider a tank circuit consisting of capacitor and a inductor of inductance L. Okay. Initially, the capacitor is fully charged. Okay. At that case, the charge in the capacitor is maximum, that is Qm. Okay. At that instant, the current flowing in the circuit is 0. Okay. So far, there is no current in the coil or the inductor. There is no storage of energy. But the capacitor having the maximum charge, it store energy, that is UE is equal to half Qm square by C. That is a maximum energy stored by the capacitor. Then next, in that inductor, the formula is UB is equal to half L I square. Here the current is 0, then UB is 0. Okay, for that case, in the system, the whole energy is stored in a capacitor, so the total energy is fully electrical. Okay, full energy stored. At the next instant, the capacitor will discharge. Okay, then the charge in the capacitor will be decreases, then the charge became Q. Okay, at that instant there will be a flow of current in a clockwise direction. Due to the flow of current, it produces magnetic field. Okay, due to this magnetic field, it store energy. Okay, here the capacitor give some part of energy to the inductor. Okay, then the energy became UE is equal to half Q square by C, and UB is equal to half L I square. Then the energy is stored as electrical and magnetic energy in the system, UE and UB. Okay, then the total energy is the sum of magnetic and electric energy. At the next instant, the capacitor exhausts is all its charge. At that case, the charge in the capacitor Q is equal to 0. It will flow maximum current in the circuit. Okay, due to the maximum current, it produces maximum magnetic field. Okay, at that time, the energy stored in the capacitor UE became 0, and then this one will be maximum. Okay, so the energy is stored as fully magnetic. The total energy is stored as fully magnetic. At the next instant, here the current is decreasing. Okay, the inductor have the property of inductance. It will not stop the current to flow. Okay, it will flow the current in the same direction by the property of inductance. Due to that, the capacitor again charge. Okay, in opposite direction. At that instant, the charge will be 0. The current will flow in this direction, that is I. Okay, at that case, the energy is stored as electrical and magnetic. This one off, this one off. Okay, then next instant, the capacitor is fully charged. That means all the magnetic energy is given to the capacitor. Okay, that means the capacitor is fully charged, but it is opposite, but it is charged in an opposite direction to the first stage. Okay, then the charge in the capacitor is maximum. At that time, the current flow will be 0. Okay, at the next instant, okay, I will start from here. At the next instant, the capacitor start to discharge. Okay, then the charge will become Q. There will be a flow of current I in a anti-clockwise direction. Due to this, it will produce magnetic field. So the energy is stored as electrical and magnetic. This one off, this one off. Okay, this one I not indicated. This one became UE is maximum and UB is 0. Okay, at the next case, the capacitor is fully discharged. Okay, so the charge is 0, then the current flow in the circuit will be maximum. Then it produces maximum magnetic field. At that instant, the energy is stored as magnetic field. Okay, here the energy stored in a capacitor will be 0. Okay, the total energy is fully magnetic. At the next instant, by according to the Lenz's law, the property of the inductor continue the current to flow in the same direction. Okay, so that it will charge the capacitor again. Plus minus minus. Okay, so the current I flow in this circuit. So the energy is partially electrical and partially magnetic. Okay, at the next instant, the capacitor is fully charged. Plus minus minus minus. Okay, at that case, charge will be maximum and the current flow in the device will be 0. Okay, at that case, it come to this stage. Okay, UE is maximum and UB became 0. Okay, from this we are conclude that here the energy is conserved during the LC oscillation. Okay, so we get the oscillation wave like this. We get an undamped waveform. Okay, with the maximum amplitude. But in real situation, it will not come like this. We get an damped waves only because of some other resistance in the circuit and inductor and capacitor. Okay, so we get a damped wave like this. Okay, students, in our next video let me see the conservation of energy in LC oscillation. That belongs to this topic only. For that we need only 3 cases. Okay, this one first case, then this one second case, then this one third case. Okay, we need only these 3 cases. At the first case, the charge in the capacitor is maximum, the current to flow in the circuit will be 0. Okay, in the second case, the charge will be Q and the current flow in the circuit is I. In the third case, the charge on the capacitor will be 0 and the current in the circuit will be maximum. Okay, we are considering these 3 cases alone. Okay.